I know it's delicate, but this is not delicate. Seriously, what's going on now?
A civil authority has issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following count. A civil authority has issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas. Breckenridge County in South If 2019 effective in Indiana, Perry, Central Indiana, Northwestern. Warning for Northwestern Harrison County, Central Kentucky, Northwestern Breckenridge County in Central Kentucky. Until 4:30 p.m. EDT/3:30 p.m. CDT/ at 3:51 p.m. EDT/2:51 p.m. CDT/ the severe Kentucky until 4:30 p.m. EDT/3 hazard 60 miles per hour wind gust.
Put this up on
Source,
WBKR.
radar indicated
Using the HD
impact.
version.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tell City, Corydon, Carefreda, Mount Pleasant, Cannleton, Cloverport, Marengo, Milltown, Leopold, and Leavenworth. Hail, less than .75 iron wind, 60 miles per hour for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move it. 75 iron wind, 60 miles per hour for your protection. Move to an interior on the lowest floor of a building. To be struck by lightning, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Also, look at this.
Struck by lightning, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.